Hello and welcome to a fresh video in Outlook tips. Many of the times we are getting mails from lots of users which includes different department, different location and different work streams. But organizing and keeping all the emails in a proper shape is something which becomes very crucial in that case. Sometimes it may happen that we missed out an important email just because there are lots of other emails in inbox covering the email which is received at an earlier stage. Creating the rules in this case could be very helpful tool. Let's understand how to create a rule and how to keep our inbox organized in a such a way that we can prioritize our day-to-day work activities as well. Here I have an email which I am getting from learning and development team every day on Outlooks or Excel tips. Now I want to ensure that I don't miss out any of the email from this one. So I want to keep all these emails in a separate folder. How to create a separate folder is very easy. You can go to inbox, just right click on inbox and you will see create a new folder. Here I have already created a learning and development folder. Now what I want is every day whenever I am getting an email from learning and development team, it should automatically move to learning and development folder. So here I am creating a rule. Either you can right click on the email and go to rules, or on the home tabs also you can find the rule section. I will click on the rule and I will click on create rules. When you click on create rules, you will get multiple options to create a rule. For example, all the mails coming from particular ID should be moved to this folder. Or I will say, in this case I am going with the first option. You can even define, for example, if the subject contains fun with, in that case, or video series, in that case that mail should move to learning and development folder, and send to, that on that basis also you can do. Now this is a primary selection we are doing. Then what is the action I want? I will click move this email to learning and development folder and click on OK. When you select this one, you will get a pop-up stating whether you want to move all the existing mails also in learning and development folder or not. You can decide to do this. If you click OK, all the existing mails also will move to learning and development folder. So that's how you can keep your inbox summarized and organized, which can help you in creating your day-to-day activity or planning your day-to-day activity in a proper manner. I hope you will find this video useful. Please like the video and share in the comment section what all other tips and tricks you want to cover in this Office 365 productivity series. Have a nice day.